Hi students, MCQ number 8. A step-down transformer reduces the supply voltage from 220 volt to 11 volt and increase the current from 6 ampere to 100 ampere. Then its efficiency is. It's a very direct and easiest problem to be asked in MCQ. We will first write down what given informations are. So it is a step-down transformer means, so the primary voltage is equal to 220 volt and secondary voltage, okay, V secondary, so that is equal to 11 volt. Primary current I primary is equal to 6 ampere and I secondary is 100 ampere. So what is the efficiency is to be determined. So now what is the expression for the efficiency of a transformer eta is equal to output power divided by input power. If you multiply this by 100 means you will get percentage efficiency. If not, in decimals you will get. So this is equal to output power is output voltage into output current divided by input power is input voltage into input current. So the output terminals are the secondary terminals and the input terminals are the primary terminals. So all values are given. We have to substitute, that's all. So this is now equal to V secondary is 11 volt. So this is 11 into I secondary is 100 divided by V primary is 220 into I primary is 6. So this is now equal to, now this 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 22. So one 0 can be cut with this, is it not? So this is a 10 by 12. This is a 10 divided by 2 into 6 is 12. So this is equal to 5 divided by 6. So this is equal to 0.83. 3 will be recurring, so only 2 decimal digits. In percentage, if you want, you have to multiply this by 100. It will be 83%. So I will write in percentage also. Therefore, eta is equal to 0.83. That is once again equal to what? 83%. Here in percentage they have not given the options. They have given in fractions. Is it not? So which of these options is correct? Option B is 0.83. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Very simple. Have you understood? Okay, I hope you must have understood that. Fine.